Hey, what's up? This is Chris from The Longest Way. Today is May 26th, 2018, and you're probably wondering, Chris, how was your night? Well, the short answer, shitty. The long answer, people here, they stop partying at like 2 in the morning, which you can't blame them. It's the Ramadan, and then it was Friday, so like, I don't know, it's like the weekend, and there's like a party area here. People are riding little go-karts. Oh man. So like, when I went to sleep at like 2, almost immediately after, at like 4:35, the stray dogs came out. And they weren't mean. They were not trying to start a fight or something, but they started going through the trash there, and they started communicating, just barking at each other. And I think, I'm not sure though, I think between the time of me going to sleep and the time of me waking up because of the dogs, I saw a pig, a wild boar over there. But I could have imagined it, you know? Could have been just a dream. I don't know. I hate camping. I'm gonna say that again. I hate camping. I mean, I like camping if you're with friends in a nice, secure area. But if you're alone and you're just kind of, I don't know, not trying to have your shit stolen, camping sucks. Oh man. Tell you guys later. So I stumbled into a bakery here. I was just gonna buy some bread, but I wasn't allowed to. I was given the bread, and then they said come in, and so I did. And this is the bakery, and it is really, really hot. I'm gonna tell you that. There's these huge ovens here, gas oven with a fire in there, and this very muscular man, he prepares little bread thingies and he weighs them, and then they smear this stuff on them, and then they put them in there in the oven. Wow. And it is so hot. Got him. Got him. And they stay in there for like 10 minutes, and then they become this, and that's how you get a bread. Yeah. Yeah, so everybody's really nice. And it is really, really hot. I can't. I'm just in there. I've just been in there for like 5 minutes, but it's really hot. I don't know how they do that. Later. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, this is the place where you sell them. So like here they're being made, and here they're being packaged, and then you sell them out of this little window. People show up on the other side, and then you sell it to them. There's a little bell. I don't know if you can see the bell there. Let me make it a little bit darker. See the bell? I'm gonna go and ring the bell. So we're like, hello, I want noon. It's nice. Alright, I gotta go, guys. Merci. Merci. Khudafiz. 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 Merci. Khudafiz. Goodbye. Alright, you guys can call me Chris from the Tired Way. It's about 6 p.m. I've done about 20 kilometers, I think. And I slept in my hammock for like almost 2 hours, I'm thinking I'm still tired. Plus I got a huge head. You know, after you take a nap, sometimes you got a huge, like, just a heavy head. That's what I got. And I'm thinking about just keeping on walking another 15, 16, I don't know, 17 kilometers to the city of Berchard. And then rest there for like 2 days or something. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So that factors into the equation. God damn it, I'm tired. And yeah, since I'm back on the highway, walking isn't really that nice. It's nice here. I mean, look at this. Ah. There's a little turd. But look at this. It is so beautiful. But I'm not there. I'm there. On the road. And it just goes. Well, you know. Alright, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm going to keep walking.